Hi besties and welcome to F&L Views. So today I've got something really exciting. Right in front of me is the Samsung Z Fold 6 and I just received this package a couple of days ago. This phone is one of the most innovative smart devices out there and I'm so excited to do this unboxing and to dive right in and see what is really inside this box. So let's get started because I'm really excited about this. I'm going to open the box. Ta-da! There, we got everything out. This is a Samsung Z Fold 6, brand new, just received, still sealed right there. And I'm so excited to do this review. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, wow, guys, this is the future of technology, and let's see what it has to offer. Right from the box, I love the glossy finish. This is really beautiful. But I'm just going to put this aside and let's see what else is inside the box. So inside the box, because I'm going to take this out. So you have your regular start guide, your terms and conditions. This is regular for every product, every phone device, and of course your USB Type C charger. You know, Samsung is still going eco-friendly and doesn't give you the stop. So if you're trying to switch from another device, you just have your USB Type C and your regular pin right there for you to put your SIM card if you have to. And if you do use a wireless SIM, of course you don't need this pad. Okay besties, let's dive right into the business of the day. This bad guy right here looks so beautiful. As you can see from the back, this is the back with the glossy look, the nice color, and the 3 wide lens camera at the back. I'm just going to pull it out and let's completely dive in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, you know, immediately you open this package, you are greeted with the fold, which is quite amazing. I love it. This really looks like a mini tablet. This is beautiful. You can see the finished look, the glossy texture, the finishing is really beautiful. Guys, the screen is really beautiful. Of course, when you look at the middle, you do see like the little finish of the grease in the middle part. But honestly, the way I'm actually seeing it, it's not as visible as I thought. So it's really nice. When you fold it, you have the beautiful fold right in front of you. Very beautiful. I would like to highlight, of course, from the back, you have your three cameras. This is really pretty. I love it. I love the text. I love the feel. I love the design. It's beautiful. In my coming video, I'll be revealing in depth how these cameras are performing. By the sides, you have your charging port. You have your charging plug right there. You see it. You have the charging plug. Then, of course, the feel is is good. Is good. Like I mentioned, you cannot feel you cannot see the grease. It's not that visible, and it folds pretty nice. From what I've read about this phone, it's just like a mini laptop. So imagine you having like your mini laptop as a phone. You can multitask with this phone. You can have up to 3 apps open. And of course, in my next video, I'm going to be revealing that more in depth. So, you know, just the unboxing and my first impression about this Z Fold Galaxy. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about the future of smartphones and if the Z Fold Galaxy meets all those criterias. What are your thoughts about smartphones moving forward? And what do you think about smartphones in general? To talk about the price of this phone, the Z Fold 6 is currently on promotion. Originally, it's selling for 2,000 US dollars, and right now the 500 gigabyte is selling at 1,500. So if you are interested in the 500 gigabyte, go get it ASAP. And of course, you have the 250 gigabyte as well, which is selling for 1,300 USD. So that has been maxed down because of the deals. So if you're looking to get a new phone, take advantage of that and don't miss out. Thank you so much for following me through this unboxing and first impression. This innovative device is really sleek. Of course, it's beautiful as you have shown you guys. And in the coming videos, I'll be giving an in-depth review of the performance, the battery life, the screen, and everything you want to know. Just leave your comments in the comment section what you want to know about this phone, and I'll be doing the next video for you guys. And thank you so much for staying with me till the end. I appreciate and I love you guys. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, share it to your family and friends. And until next time, I am your favorite girl. Stay safe and stay out of trouble. Bye.